development program on deep learning for visual computing. She is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way, and has the capacity to translate vision into reality. Now I request Dr. P. Kavita Rani, Head of Department, CSE in charge, to deliver the welcome address. Over to ma'am.
Very good morning, everyone. It's a moment of great privilege and honor for me to extend a hearty welcome to all of you for AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored 5 days online faculty development program on deep learning for visual computing, organized by Computer Science and Engineering, Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology. On my behalf, I welcome our beloved Principal Madam, Dr. J. Janet, who is motivating and guiding us to organize this program. Welcome, ma'am. I extend my warm welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Pushpa Ramachandran, General Manager, Wipro Limited, Bangalore, for accepting our invitation for this program and to enlighten our participants with his valuable input. Welcome, sir. I'm very happy that 200 participants from various institutions all over nations had registered and attending this Atal FTP through virtual mode. Welcome you all, professors. We assure this faculty development program will make you to explore and learn more on techniques of deep learning for visual computing. And happy to welcome all heads of other departments and all faculty members of our SKCET. And also, I would like to please on welcome note to all delegates from various academic institutions and industry. I welcome you all once again to this resourceful program and have a great day. Thank you all.
Leaders are made, they are not born. Her actions created a legacy which inspire others to dream more, learn more, and do more. One such dynamic personality is our Principal Ma'am. May I request the most respected Principal Madam, Dr. J. Janet, to deliver the presidential address. Over to Ma'am.
I think now I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry for the delay, dear participants. There was a technical glitch. Now we'll go on with the special address. Yes, good morning once again, and I feel immensely happy that the Department of CSE is organizing an Atal FTP on deep learning and visual computing. Respected chief guest of the day, Mr. Pushpa Ramachandran, General Manager and Head Strategy and Alliances, Platforms and Solutions at Data Analytics and Artificial Intelligence, Wipro Limited, the coordinators of the FDP, Dr. Kavita Rani, HOD CSE, and Dr. Venkat Lakshmi, HOD of AI and DS, and my fellow participants, colleagues at our department, and the participants are from various other prestigious institutions who have signed up for this Atal FDP. I would like to thank AICTE for having given us an opportunity to organize an FDP of this genre. It's like a combination of two different techniques, I would say. Deep learning techniques in visual computing. Deep learning, we will know it focuses on deep learning, neural networking, which is a binary imitation of a human brain that observes patterns and decides, makes a decision. And visual computing, well, visual computing in itself, it's a niche area which opens up applications into medical image processing, industry quality control, so on and so forth, multimedia systems, etc. Therefore, combining of these two systems, these two massive fields, I would say, that would certainly produce results. It will have an immense, according to me, an immense impact in reality, which will be very useful for our research. And I understand that 200 participants have lined up and they have signed for the program, in which we shortlisted around 187 participants across India from various prestigious institutions. And I hope this 5-day FDP, immense immersive learning FDP with theoretical and coding practices through curative sessions, so on and so forth, will go a long way in applying their minds and getting results in these two massive fields, a combination of these two massive fields, I would say. So I am pretty sure that this session, all the sessions lined up over all these 5 days will open out new knowledge sharing, resource sharing, and so that we can venture into new areas in this domain. I'm also sincerely grateful and thank our chief guest, who is an artificial intelligence expert himself. I know he will give you the best in this field through the various thought process and knowledge sharing through the various sessions lined up beginning from today. So I wish all the participants the very best of luck, and I encourage them to make utmost use of all the time for this knowledge sharing over all these 5 days to make this Atal FTP a grand success. Once again, my sincere thanks to the department and my sincere appreciation to the coordinators to get it going. Thank you one and all, and wish you all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am. Coming together as a beginning, keeping together as progress, working together as success. It's my pleasure to introduce and welcome our chief guest. Now I request Dr. Venkatalakshmi, Head of Department AIDS, to introduce the chief guest. Over to ma'am.
Good morning. I take privilege to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Pushpa Ramachandran, General and Head Strategy Alliances, Platforms and Solutions at Data, Analytics and Artificial Intelligence. With over 20 years of experience and deep domain expertise across industrial verticals, he is a recognized thought leader in artificial intelligence. He started his career as technical lead in data mining, warehousing, followed by technical delivery manager. He also acted as a principal consultant for business segment and further holds the role of general manager and head integrated solution design in data analytics and AI, focusing on AI augmented journey of process. AI augmented journey of process reimagination by leveraging the capabilities of alliance partners. He is recognized thought leader in helping organizations to transform into an intelligent enterprise by leveraging actionable insights powered by curated data. He has helped organizations to develop value propositions that help them in achieving customer delight and process efficiencies through innovations. Mr. Pushpa Ramachandran has credible experience in establishing and managing centers of excellence in newer technology areas in data and analytics. His expertise includes strategy and execution, planning and achieving targets, innovative solutions in the areas of information management, data quality integration, and big data analytics and AI. With this high profile, I welcome our chief guest to share his expertise and thought-provoking ideas with us. Please, sir.
May I now request Mr. Pushpa Ramachandran, General Manager, Wipro Limited, to deliver the inaugural address. Over to sir.
Thank you, everyone, and good morning to one and all. I will keep this inaugural address short, and anyway, we are going to have a detailed session on two important topics, right? So to start with, AI is redefining the lives of everyone, right? It's not only impacting the high-profile industry, as people generally think, right? Now, this is something that will help in robotics, it will help in high-end automation, etc. But the reality is that AI is revolutionizing every single field, right? And it is having far more reaching impact than all the three previous industrial revolutions put together, right? So artificial intelligence is something that is touching upon every single discipline of work, be it engineering, be it medicine, be it agriculture. So what's very important is to look at how we can leverage and harness the power of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning for the larger good of the humanity. So that has to be the focus. And given that, what is happening is the need for these skills, right? The skills of AI, ML, or deep learning, right? It is increasing multifold. If you look at the job profile requirements in the globe for the overall data science, as all these fields are collectively known as, there are more than about 3 million jobs that are getting created, but the workforce is not able to keep pace in terms of meeting these requirements. And that's where the educational institutions like this and the professors like you play a very, very important role in terms of making sure the wider student community gets to learn all these skills that are required as a foundational skill for anything to do in the future. So it's very important to see that this as not a computer discipline. you can think of it like a mobile, right? Probably 2 decades back, there was a very less usage of mobile, right? That there are people who are having mobile are seen as very privileged. But look at the scenario today. The online classes for the toddlers or the pre-KG kind of sessions are happening on mobiles, are happening on computers, right? That's the way AI will become very, very pervasive, and it will be part of every single job, irrespective of which profession, which discipline the person is going to engage in. So that's why it will become a foundational skill for all the disciplines. So it becomes all the more important for our pedagogy to really get up to speed in terms of the whole spectrum of AI, ML, and deep learning, understand it better so that they can percolate down that learnings to their students, which can help the overall country and more importantly the world to flourish and leverage using the artificial intelligence system. That being the thing, so we will see in detail about how AI can be applied into multiple industries and how world is seeing that, and what are some of the pitfalls and how that can be avoided as part of the detailed session. So again, welcome to all of you. And I did look at the courses or the chapters that have been lined up for the next 5 days. There's an impressive lineup of topics touching upon the various aspects of deep learning, the CNNs and RNNs of the world, and the details around that. So please do learn. And what I would talk about is more around not on the technology side, but in terms of how you can leverage that for the future. Thanks and welcome to all of you to the session. Back to you, ma'am.
It is wonderful listening to you, sir. Thank you for your thought-provoking speech. Gratitude is a wonderful way to draw more beauty into your life. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. May I now request Ms. A. Priya, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering, to deliver the vote of thanks. Over to ma'am.
Good morning to one and all gathered here. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks for the AICT Atal-sponsored FTP on Deep Learning for Visual Computing. I, on behalf of Department of Computer Science and Engineering and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all for giving your valuable time for this program. First and foremost, I express my sincere thanks to AICT Training and Learning Academy for providing financial support in organizing this one-week online FTP. I would like to express my deep gratitude to our MD Ma'am, Srimati Malarvili, Chairperson and Managing Trustee, Sri Krishna Institution, for rendering us with all possible support towards organizing this event. I express my sincere thanks to our beloved Principal Madam, Dr. J. Janet, who is the guiding force and inspiration in organizing various events. Thank you, ma'am. I wholeheartedly thank the Chief Guest, Mr. Pushpa Ramachandran, General Manager, Wipro Limited, for sparing his time under his busy schedule and grace this occasion. Thank you, sir. I thank our Head of the Department in charge, Dr. Kavita Rani ma'am, for her support, vision and commitment. Thank you, ma'am. I also thank the FTP coordinator, Dr. Venkat Lakshmi, for organizing this wonderful event. Thank you, ma'am. I express my gratitude for all the speakers from industries and academia for accepting our invitation and delivering a lecture in this FTP. I would like to record my hearty thanks to all our faculty members, committee members, and technical staff for their cooperation and support in organizing this program. I record my heartfelt thanks to all the participants for selecting our FTP. Once again, I thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. We have come to the end of the inaugural session. Next session on overview of deep learning frameworks will be handled by Mr. Pushpa Ramachandran, sir. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. Learning should never be stopped and updation should continue. With this quote, I wish all the participants to have a joyful learning experience. Thank you and have a great day, professors. Happy learning.